My name is Gerhard Mohrmann. I'm the sales engineer for Satcom, which basically means that I'm involved in the whole process of finding customer requirements, receiving them, looking at what they want, put stuff together, make up quotations that will suit the requirement that they've got. Then we will discuss the quotations until they are happy. This is going to do the job for them. In some cases, I will be required to fly into country with equipment and do a field trial, a demonstration. The people in the field, they just want to see that the products is doing what they want them to do. So we'll fly literally with suitcases into country, put up stations, listen to what the customer really want to see, and then we'll perform a field trial and prove to them that the products indeed can do what we say they can do and what they want the products to do. After that, there's a debriefing, then we will finalize, and then of course it's a matter of having budget. And then a project will be opened up. We receive the quotations, that will be passed on to production. Production will then start procurement, and the products will be built to spec. Once done, we will go through a sales and marketing, and especially the sales engineer will go with the people through the products in the factory, make sure that they actually comply to what we quoted. Everything is put together. In some cases, the customer come and do a physical inspection before we ship. And many times, by that time, they have such a good relationship with us that they will accept. We're ready to ship. Once the product is shipped out, then me as a sales engineer is responsible to go and do the training and deployment of the first 1 or 2 sites in country. Training takes about 5 to 7 days, depending on the complexity of the system that they've bought. And after the training, the end user operators are fully capable of operating the products in all features that they've ordered. They've seen the installation, the deployment, how it's to be used. And then I basically leave them behind, and from then on I'll be on WhatsApp and on email, sometimes even on the phone, fending those rapid questions, things they might have forgotten and so forth, and then we remain in contact and hope that we will get another project. Actually, I had a very special request this morning from the Southeast Asia region, a special radio that we don't have, but we have the building blocks. So me and R&D will then sit together and say, listen, what do we have? How can we assist? How can we get closest to this requirement? And then we start to put building blocks together. We look at possibilities, and in the end, most times it's actually possible. It will take a little bit of engineering, a little bit of integration, and then we will go back to the agent or / end user and say, listen, this is what we can do, this is how it's going to work, and that is more or less the budget price that we are looking at. And then of course it's a matter of them saying the special requirement is indeed valid, or maybe it's outside of the budget, and then we will find another way. So we always find a solution, we always find a way to satisfy outside of the norm, and that's actually how we develop our products. We literally take in what people want, look at it and say, this is how we're going to do it. Are you happy with it? Yes, we're happy with it. And then we do it.